And finally, to make our die, first of all we need a rod, a metal rod in which we have made a hole that is 5 millimeter with a bit. And after drilling with 5 millimeter bit, we have further uh, drill in it, because our barrel size is 5.5 millimeter. And to make and this rod, we find this rod from a scrap shop, and you are aware from this. It is a shock absorber pump of motorbike that you can get from any repairing shop or mechanic shop. And it is the rod. This is this is the rod that we have used to these make making these die die parts. And we have used our angle grinder to further cutting it. And as you can see, yes, as you can see, the barrel tail size is bigger than remaining hole, and we have made this hole by our handmade bit. That is, it is made out of small three corner file that we have made by our angle grinder. And you can see it is made out of file, three corner file, and that is equal to our pallet size. And it is cut it down from is, yeah, it is cut it down from this part of file, and after grinding we get this one.